Hey guys, it's Thomas here, and I'm the creator of NotionStartups.com. So, first of all, thank you very much for checking out the website and the project. And in this short video, I want to explain what it is all about. So, my aim is to really make life easier for any early stage founder out there who is using Notion. And my background is from VC. So, that is where quite a lot of the experience in building out these templates and workflows come from. That is why I have started to build templates that tackle use cases like VC reporting, fundraising, so creating CRMs for fundraising for startups, etc., etc. But ultimately, I want to create a broader portfolio of templates that help founders out there. If you have any ideas, feedback, or thoughts on how to improve these products or workflows that you're looking for, I would love if you get in touch either via email, LinkedIn, or Twitter, because that is something that's extremely helpful for me. And I really do hope that you find some of these products helpful for you in your journey as an early stage founder. Thank you very much for checking NotionStartups.com. And as I said, don't hesitate to get in touch anytime. It would be great to hear from you. Thank you and have a great day.